Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Guys, we got some news about Rumble stock. In the past 5 days, this thing has sold off about 25%. Today alone, the stock has sold off 7%. So we're going to be looking at what's going on and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, new to the team. We talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team, and don't forget to go check out my merch. We just dropped it. It's super awesome, cool. And you guys can use the code dividends to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check it out. But enough talking. Let's dive into it. So like I said, in the past 5 days, Rumble stock has sold off 25%. Now, companies don't sell off that much, especially that quick. Now, when a company does do that, something major is going on inside the company. Sometimes it's, major news, sometimes it's an earnings report, sometimes it could be a statement that the company puts out. But as of today, the company did announce some crazy things. Now, one of the most important things that they actually announced was they are now releasing, as of September 19th, they released their lockup period. Now, what this means is when a company does an IPO or a merger, just like Rumble did, now, what they do is all the people that were holding shares inside the company, so all their pretty much employees, executives, CEO that hold shares, what they do is they actually have a holding period. The reason why they do this is because right when the stock hits the market, in most cases, the stock skyrockets up. Now, imagine if everybody inside the company just started selling the stock would get absolutely annihilated, and that's kind of what we're seeing actually, because they lifted it. People inside the company can now sell Rumble stock, which might not sound like a big deal because Apple has it, Google, Tesla, where you can pretty much sell the stock if you're an employee. For a smaller company like Rumble, on top of that, anytime when you see investors that are in this company, that could be possibly employees, could be executives, anytime you see them sell their shares, people inside the company, and they're selling, you get scared. And if you're holding Rumble, you are more likely to sell because you think, what do they know that I don't? So you get a lot more emotions involved. And guys, on top of that, one of the things you have to understand is the CEO of Rumble did come out and say he's not selling any shares of Rumble. And as of today, he's kept his word, which is always a good sign. We've seen people in the past like Jeff Bezos, like Elon Musk sell their, Amazon shares or Tesla shares, and then the stock just gets annihilated because people get scared, they get worried when they see the CEO selling. But we're not seeing that just yet with Rumble. But in the grand scheme of things, I don't think that honestly this is that big of a deal when it comes to a reason for a stock to sell off 25%. But you do have to take into consideration there could be some things that we don't know. But in the grand scheme, should you invest into Rumble? Guys, Rumble is a high risk, high growth stock. It's not like investing into Tesla, Google, Apple. This thing is volatile. It's gone up and down at rapid rates. We've seen a ton of growth out of this. On top of it, we've seen a ton of sell-off. Like I said, in the past 5 days, it's down 25% because of a small news. In the grand scheme of things, I think Rumble is a great pick. It's a great growth stock. We've seen a ton of good things on the revenue, on the growth, cash, net profit margin, all the stuff that all the nerds like myself care about. But honestly, I'm excited. I own some shares of Rumble. I think a good strategy, dollar cost averaging, reducing that risk, that volatility is a great way to invest into Rumble. But I'm excited to see for a stock that's under $5, I don't think you can't go wrong buying a little bit of it. There is a ton of growth, ton of volatility with it, but we'll see what happens with this. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.